Hello everyone. At Ringg, we help you automate conversations at scale, whether it's calls, follow-ups, or customer interactions, and getting started is actually way simpler than you think. So in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Ringg. Alright, so let's dive right into it. Once you log in, you will be redirected to your dashboard, and what you see right here is your workspace. Think of it as your control room. Everything you build, run, and track will happen from here. Right here on the top left, you'll find your workspace ID. If you ever run into an issue or need support, just copy this and share it with us. It helps us instantly locate your setup and solve things much faster for you. Next, we're going to talk about campaigns. This is where you can view, set up, and trigger your calling campaigns. We also allow you to view history and analytics of each campaign and also download reports for them. Right here, you can create a campaign by uploading all the details and selecting an assistant. So you can manage your concurrency. Concurrency simply means how many calls Ringg can run at the same time. The higher it is, the faster you can reach more people, and this can always be adjusted as you grow. You can also find details about your plan and concurrency limits right here. So Ringg can run multiple calls in parallel, and by doing this, what would take hours manually can now happen in minutes. Alright. So next up, we have knowledge base. Think of this as your assistant's brain. You can upload PDFs, FAQs, text files, or even your website for us to pass through. Right here. And once you import this in your campaigns, this is what your agent will use to understand your business and respond intelligently during calls. The better inputs here, the better your conversations will be. Next up, we have numbers. These are your calling numbers and your identity when Ringg reaches out. So you'll see default numbers here for India and the US. You can also buy new numbers directly from here. For running campaigns, you'll need to purchase a number since default ones aren't meant for large-scale calling. Right, so next we have history. In the history section, you'll find all your past calls. So every call, every interaction is stored here and ready to review. You can click into any call and see a full breakdown, including the transcript and detailed analytics for that specific conversation. Right here. Now I'm going to talk about analytics, which is a very important part of your calling experience. This is where you understand overall performance. So every call turns into data here, and you can see trends, outcomes, and how your campaigns are doing at a higher level. You can also filter this data and add a date range. Next, we're going to talk about team access. Team access allows you to invite your team members here and control their access. If someone is actively using Ringg with you, giving them broader access usually helps them move faster and get more things done. You can invite them right here, and this is where you can give permissions. Next, we're going to talk about API key. This is your API key to be used within your internal workflows. If you want to explore more advanced use cases, you can check out our API docs over here to see how you can build on top of Ringg. That's it. These are all the things you need to know before you can create your first agent. In the next few videos, we'll walk you through agent and campaign creation step by step and explore it in detail.